Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to find and replace word in Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To find and replace word in Google Docs, go to your Google Doc and open the document. In my document, I want to show you how to find and replace this word dollar and dollar again, and several times I have dollar. I have the word dollar in my document. Now I am going to show you how to find dollar and replace it. On upper right corner, click on Edit tab, and here you will find and replace. Just click on find and replace. In find and replace, in the find section, type dollar and look, it found $27 word, and if I click on next, it will show me the next dollar word. Look, it found $27. And if I want to replace dollar with pound, just type type here on replace with section, just type pound. And if you want to replace only one, the fifth dollar, this one the fifth dollar, just click on replace. Look, only fifth dollar is replaced, all other dollar is existing. If you want to replace all at a time, just click on replace all, and look, all dollars are replaced to pound. Look, all dollars are replaced here in pound. This is the easiest way to find and replace word in Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.